Maths Day. Maths Day is celebrated on October 15th every year. This day is a tribute to the great Indian mathematical genius Srinivas Ramanujan. This day aims to encourage students to take part in competitive math-themed games. Maths Day is also celebrated all over the world in order to encourage the students to sharpen their skill in arithmetic and problem solving. Since its founding in 2007 by the 3P Learning, the popularity of Maths Day has multiplied a lot. Maths has its origin in the 6th century BC by the Pythagoreans from ancient Greece when they began the systematic study of mathematics. The main objective is to free the students from the boring theoretical maths. This day encourages students to take a break from the standard day-to-day math lessons. Schools are celebrating Math Day by preparing models, puzzles, posters, etc. and building up confidence among teachers and students, and also highlighting the career opportunities in the field of maths. This is how schools celebrate Maths Day. But due to Corona, we can celebrate this Maths Day online. Thank you.
ഗണിതം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഗണിതം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഒന്നിനോടൊന്നു ചേർന്നാൽ രണ്ടായി മാറുമീ ഗണിതം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഗണിതം എത്ര സുന്ദരം. ഗണിതമെന്ന് കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ മധുരമെന്ന് തോന്നണം, മധുരമെന്ന് തോന്നുവാൻ കൂട്ടുകാരനാക്കണം. കൂട്ടലും കുറയ്ക്കലും ആദ്യമായി പഠിക്കണം, ഗുണനവും ഹരണവും തെറ്റില്ലാതെ ചെയ്യണം. തരണം നല്ല കഴിവുകൾ ഞങ്ങൾക്കായി ഈശ്വര, തരണം നല്ല കഴിവുകൾ ഞങ്ങൾക്കായി ഈശ്വര. ഒന്നിനോടൊന്നു ചേർന്നാൽ രണ്ടായി മാറും ഈ ഗണിതം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഗണിതം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഗണിതം എത്ര സുന്ദരം, ഗണിതം എത്ര സുന്ദരം.
Good morning, dear students. Every opportunity is a platform given for you to showcase to the world the treasure within you. Yes, this lockdown period offers you this opportunity to reinvest your life. A time to think out of the box and discover amazing power within you. Cocoon to butterfly, the experience you have right now, and you are there to learn a lot of wonderful things in this spirit. I am sure many of you learn to be techno-savvy people, creative and productive, innovative in your ways of thinking and learning. Today, Maths Club on World Maths Day gives us the message that every person there is a mathematician hidden in. I congratulate every member of the club, the effort taken for the creative creation. Maths is the only subject with a lot of problems and definitely a solution for every problems. Be a lover of maths because life is a maths equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negative into positive. So stay safe with positive attitude. Thank you.
Mathematics is the cradle of all creations, without which the world cannot move an inch. Be it a cook or a farmer, a carpenter a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, a musician or a magician. Everyone needs mathematics in their day-to-day life. Snails make shells, spiders design their webs, and bees build hexagonal combs. These are countless examples of mathematical patterns in nature's fabric. The present age is one of skill development and innovations. The more mathematical we are in our approach, the more successful we will be. It is a tool in our hands to make our lives simpler. Mathematics offers rationality to our thoughts. Let us realize and appreciate the beauty of the subject and embrace it with all our heart.
World Maths Day is an annual program celebrated on October 15th every year. World Maths Day was founded and celebrated for the first time in the year 2007. Have you ever heard this sentence? A problem in a problem is the problematic problem. Some feels that the problem in understanding and learning maths is the real problem to be solved. World Maths Day aims in raising the standards of numeracy and encourages the students to love the subjects with fun games. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Hibansat from 10th Standard. It's my great pleasure to inform you that today, October 15th, is World Mathematics Day. On this special occasion, I would like to speak to you about Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar. He was born on December 22, 1887 into a Tamil Brahmin Iyengar family in Erode, Madras Presidency at the residence of his maternal grandparents. His father, Kuppaswamy Srinivasa Iyengar, originally from Tanjavur district, was working as a clerk in a sari shop. His mother, Komalata Mal, was a housewife and sang at a local temple. They lived in a small house in the town of Kumbakonam. At the age of 11, he exhausted the mathematical knowledge of 2 college students who were the lodgers at his house. Later on, he was lent a book written by S.L. Loney on advanced trigonometry. He mastered this by the age of 13 and finded out his own sophisticated theorems. By 14, he received merit certificates and academic awards which continued throughout his life. Although he had almost no formal training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contributions in mathematical analysis, number theories, infinite series, and continued fractions, including solutions to the mathematical problems then considered unsolvable. He initially developed his own research in isolation. His highly unconventional results such as the Ramanujan prime, the Ramanujan theta function, the Mach theta prime, the Ramanujan theta function, the Mach theta function, and the partition formula have opened a new area of work in mathematics and inspired a vast amount of further researches. Here, the Ramanujan Journal, a scientific journal, was established to publish the works in mathematical areas influenced by Ramanujan, and the notebooks containing summaries of his published and unpublished results were analyzed and studied for decades since his death as a new source of mathematical ideas. He came up with many miraculous ideas and theorems and findings. The most important of those is the Ramanujan number. The number 1729 is known as the Ramanujan number. The specialty of this number is that it is the smallest number that can be expressed as the sum of 2 cubes in 2 different ways. Not only this, he came up with many other findings, and thus he became the most important and brilliant mathematician in India. Thank you.
am Anne-Marie Sajal. I am here to share my point of view about zero. Do you know him? Yes, you guessed it right. He is Mr. Zero. So, let's learn more about zero in this video. Are you ready? So, let's get started. I have 4 books with me. So first I take my maths book. Now how many books left? Let us count. 1, 2 and 3. 3 books left. Now I take my English book. Now how many books left? Let us count. 1, 2. Now I take my science book. Yeah, now only 1 book left. Now I take my Malayalam book. Now how many books left? That is none. That means 0 books left. Do you like zeros? Maybe yes or maybe no. When we get 0 marks in our exam, we may really feel sad, isn't it? 0 does not add anything or does not subtract anything. When we ask 0 to multiply any number, it makes that number to 0. Don't dare to ask 0 to divide any number. Otherwise, it will make a big chaos. But 0 is not that bad too. He is really a hero. Have you ever thought how the numbers would be written if there was no 0? Just assume 2405. If there was no 0, how the number written? Isn't it difficult? This was the reason why 0 was invented. 0 was invented to fill the empty spaces in the number and replace nothing. Do you know who invented 0? Yes, I'm sure you too. We will feel happy and proud to know that 0 was invented by the great Indian mathematician and astronomer Aryabhatta. Do you know 0 is the only digit which is a number too. It is neither positive nor negative. 0 does not have a place value as well as a face value of its own. But still, if it comes after a digit, it increases the value. As a number, 0 means nothing. But 0 plays a central role in mathematics as the identity element of an integer, real number and many other algebraic structures. I believe that you all understood that even though 0 has no value, 0 is the hero. Okay, this is Anne-Marie signing up. Thank you.
The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics.
Mathematics gives us a hope that every problem has a solution.
Math is not a problem to be solved, but a number to be enjoyed.
Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around us is mathematics and everything around us is number.
Hi friends, I am Kriba Bilal from Nice Club. Today I am here to notify some shapes and numbers. This is a cylinder. It can roll and stand. This is a keyboard. It can stand. This is a cone. It can stand but cannot roll. Now I am going to say some shapes and their example. This is a rectangle. Example, a book. This is a square. Example, dice. This is a triangle. Example, the pyramid. This is a circle. The example, clock. A clock is made up of different numbers. This is a star. It is made of triangles. This is a heart shape. These are the numbers we use in our daily life. Thank you.
Good morning. On behalf of Max Day, I'm here to share some mathematicians and their contribution in mathematics. First, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was one of the first Indian mathematician and astronomer belonging to the classical age. His contribution to mathematics is unmatched and cannot be ignored. He was the one who deduced the approximate value of pi, which he found it to be 3.14. Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was one of India's greatest mathematical geniuses. He made substantial contribution to the analytical theory of numbers and worked on elliptic function, continued fractions and infinite series. Pythagoras. He is most famous for his ideas in geometry. He was the first to propose that the square of hypotenuse, that is, the side of the triangle opposite to the right angle, is equivalent to the sum of the squares of the opposite two sides. Archimedes. Archimedes, the father of mathematics, is the greatest mathematician of antiquity. He made his greatest contribution in geometry. His methods anticipated the integral calculus 2000 years before Newton and Leibniz. Last but not least, Bhaskara. Bhaskara was a 7th century Indian mathematician who was first to write numbers in the Hindu decimal system with a circle for the zero. Thank you and have a nice day.
Warm wishes, respected sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I'm here to mono act the famous scientist Aryabhatta and the famous actress Alia Bhatt having a small discussion on maths and moon. Namaste. I am Aryabhatta. Hi, I am Aryabhatta, the mathematical genius. What? I thought I was a mathematical genius. Are you really good in maths? Yes, I was number 1 in class. 1 is an odd number and I am the only odd one in my class. Okay, let me check your knowledge. If you have 32 candies and you have 28, what would you have? 28 candies? I would have diabetes. Very funny. I will ask you one more question. If you have 10 candies and 5 of them were stolen, what would you have? 10. What? 10 minus 5, 10? Yes. If somebody stolen my candies, I would have beaten him and take my candies back. Now you understand how intelligent I am. Let me ask you a question. Why are the all obtuse angles unhappy? Obtuse angles unhappy? I have never heard angles having feelings. I give up. Okay, obtuse angles are unhappy because they are always right. I honestly say that I am not so good in maths because we are learned differently in bowling. For you, there is 3 states, that is solid, liquid and gas. For me, there is only 2 states, that is my movie. For you, 2 plus 2 is 4. For me, door pans, ek aur ek 11. What? Ek aur ek 11? Yes. Okay. Whatever make the movie, but my acting is super. Okay. If it doesn't make a sense, I would probably say that you are not so good mathematician. Okay. Student of the year doesn't say that student of maths. It is student of acting. Good knowing you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hi students, today we are celebrating World Maths Day. World Maths Day was founded and celebrated for the first time in the year 2007. It is an online mathematics competition established by the educational resource provider 3P Learning. Why do we celebrate World Maths Day? Did you ever think like this? World Maths Day is celebrated every year in order to encourage students around the world to sharpen their skills in arithmetic and problem solving. Friends, maths is like a friend. If you meet it regularly, it will become your best friend. If you create distance, then it goes away from you. So students, meet it regularly and you find out 30 minutes every day to practice arithmetic. Then mathematics will become your best friend. So children, try to do this. Okay, today in this occasion I will show you a magic. Okay. Students, this is a paper strip. Okay, it has a specialty. What is the specialty? When we try to join these ends together, join in time one end, turns on time and join it like this. Okay, one end, turn once and join. Now we can paste it. Okay. Okay, now we get a paper strip. This paper strip is known as Mobius strip. What is that? Mobius strip. It has only one edge and only one face. Now you think that Miss has a mistake. Looking down, you can see that two edges and two faces. No, it has only one face and one edge. Now we can identify that. Okay, look at. Now I mark here. Okay, one red. Can you see this? Okay, and bottom part also I will mark another one color. Okay, look at here. Now can you see? Okay, now I will try to move my finger through the upper part, that is this upper edge, starting from this mark. Okay, then moving this edge. Okay, then I reach at the blue part. Okay, that means it has only one edge. Similarly, we can identify that it has only one face. Then the magic is that now I try to cut this strip into through the middle. Then how many strips we will get? Yes, you think that now we will get 2 strips. Okay, we can look it. Cut through the middle. Okay. For easy cutting, first I done that. Okay, then we can cut through the middle. Okay friends, look at here the magic. We get a two strip or one strip. It is only one strip, isn't it? It is a magic. This is another Mobius strip. This also we can cut another one way. Okay, look at here. Okay, look at here. Look here, children. Now we get two strips, but these strips are not separated. Okay, it is joined like a chain. Why it happened? In the first time, I cut through the middle. That is, I divide that width of the strip. That is, this is a strip. I divide this width of this strip into two equal parts and cut through the middle. In the second time, I divide this strip, width of this strip into three equal parts and cut through the line. Okay, then we get a two strip. In the first time we get a one strip. Children, you also try to do this. Okay, so children, happy World Maths Day. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Nisha. Today I'm here with some maths riddles. My first question: how can you make number 7 even without addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Friends, the answer is, to make number 7 even, you need to drop s, then it will become even. Second question: can you write down 8 8s so that they add up to 1000? The answer is, to get the answer, you need to add 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Then you will get 1000. Third question: how can you take 2 from 5 and leave 4? Friends, to get the answer, you need to remove f and e from the word 5. Then you will get 4 as the answer. My last question for you: how many times can you subtract 5 from 25? Friends, the answer is only once, because if once you subtract 5 from 25, then it is not 25 anymore. Thank you.
Important days related to mathematics. February 7, Euler's Day. March 14, International Day of Mathematics and Pi Day. August 15th, Pythagorean Theorem Day.
Some important days related to maths. October 15, World Maths Day. October 23, Mole Day. December 1, Sum of all negative integrals Day. December 22, National Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Welcome everyone. My name is Ravya Raj. Today, as you already know, it's World Mathematics Day. Mathematics has become a very important part of our life since it makes our life orderly and prevent chaos. Certain qualities that are nurtured by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving ability, and even better communication skills. With mathematics, we learn to evaluate and draw conclusions based on our knowledge, with providing a better effective way of building mental discipline and mental rigor. Thus, mathematics teaches us to think logically and has become a very important part of our life.
Good morning
8s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 14. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 9 8s are 72. 10 8s are 80. 1 9s are 9. 2 9s are 80. 3 9s are 27. 4 9s are 36. 5 9s are 45. 6 9s are 54. 7 9s are 63. 8 9s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 10 9s are 90. 11 9s are 99. 12 9s are 108.
Hello everyone, I am Aisha from 4A. Welcome to our Maths Club. In this video, today I am going to explain a simple method for multiplying two double-digit numbers. Let us take one example. 21 into 32. First of all, we have to draw three blank lines here. This is three-step process. In the first step, we will multiply the unit digit from the first number and unit digit from the second number. Here we have 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have to multiply 1 and 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. We have to write 2 in the unit place. The second step is to multiply the tens digit from the first number and unit digit from the second number. Here we have 2 and 2. We have to multiply 2 and 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Next we will multiply the unit digit from the first number and tens digit from the second number. Here we have 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Now we need to add both of the numbers. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Let us write 7 in the tens place. The third step is to multiply the tens digit from the first number and tens digit from the second number. Here we have 2 and 3. We have to multiply 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Let us write 6 in the 100 place. Yes, we got the answer. 21 into 32 is equal to 672. I hope everyone understands it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi everyone, I am Fahad Muhammad from Maths Club. I am standing in front of a trick for 2D number. Multiplication by 99. For example, 22 into 99. Which number comes before 22? That answer is 21. And the difference, 21 is 99. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 1